Good morning children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class we have did the revision of our 7th lesson poem. Right children? Today we will go with the question time exercise. See everyone, open your volume 2 book, page number 15. Choose the phrases that describe how the poet takes good care of the plant. Tick them. Put the seed in a cupboard. Put the seed in a pot. Water the plant. Set it upon the windowsill to get sunlight. Okay, what it is the children means, the poet have taken care of the plant, isn't it? Poet ఏం చేశాడు పోయంలో ఒక ప్లాంట్ని, ఒక సీడ్ తీసుకున్న ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఆ ప్లాంట్ ఎదిగేంత వరకు దానికి ఒక మంచి గుడ్ కేర్ తీసుకున్నాడు, isn't it? And first what he did he put the seed in a cupboard? Seedని కబోర్డ్లో పెట్టారా? No. Put the seed in a pot. Yes, we have to put the seed in the pot. Water the plant. Without keeping the seed in a pot, how the plant will come children? How we will water the plant? Isn't it? ముందు సీడ్ పాట్లో పెట్టకుండా ప్లాంట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? ప్లాంట్కి వాటర్ ఎలా వేస్తాం? No, we cannot water the plant. And set it upon the windowsill to get sunlight. Directly if you take the seed and if you keep in the window sunlight, the seed will grow as plant. No, it will not grow as plant, because first we have to keep that seed in a pot and we have to give the soil, water and sunlight, then it will grow, isn't it? Then first the correct one is second one, put the seed in a pot. Tick in the second box. Next one, what is the brown thing you see in a pot out of which a plant grows? Fill in the missing letters in the words given below. Okay, in that pot what we will take children? Brown color lo untadi pot lo. Seed ni endlo pedtam manam? Yes, we will keep in soil, isn't it? Here some words are there. Okay, we have to write the missing letters of this. What is the spelling of the soil? S-O-I-L, soil, isn't it children? And next one, another name, another one what we have to take? Yes, mud, M-U-D, mud, soil, mud. And next one, yes, what we will call this one? Bhumini emani pilustam English lo? Yes, from where we will get mud and soil? Yes, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth, soil, mud, earth. Next one, the poet says to make the soil right. Tick what the poet means by this. Okay, em cheppar poet? Soil ni manam right ga chesukovali, ante correct position lo chesukovali ani annaru. What he is mean by that? To make the soil healthy, to make the soil dry and dirty. సాయిల్ని హెల్దీగా చేయాలని చెప్పారా, లేదంటే డ్రైగా ఎండిపోయి అలాగే డర్టీగా చేయాలని చెప్పారా? ఎస్, టు మేక్ ద సాయిల్ హెల్దీ. టిక్ ఇన్ ది ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్ చిల్డ్రన్, టిక్ ఇన్ ది ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, విచ్ వర్డ్ ఇన్ ద పోయం రైమ్స్ విత్ రైట్? Rhymes means what children? Rhyming word which we pronounce two words as same. For example, run, fun. Run, fun. Both words are different with different spellings, but we will pronounce it as same. పలకడానికి రెండు ఒకలాగే ఉన్నాయి కదా, like that. Okay, right. For right, tell one more word which rhymes with the right. Yes, you can see it here. What is this? Light. Tell along with me. Right, light. Right, light. Right here children. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Right, light. And next one, here write a rhyming word pair of your own. See, in this pair they have given one word and next word we have written here. Now what we have to do? We have to identify one more rhyming pair. Let's see here children. I check the pot every day and turned it once or twice. With a little care and water, I helped it grow so nice. Which words are rhyming, children, here? Twice, nice. Isn't it? Twice, nice are rhyming. Now write here twice. Twice, twice, and nice, nice. Twice, nice. Okay, like this you complete this page, children, and tomorrow onwards we will go with the remaining exercises. This is about today's English class. Thank you.